quick sewing demo with this 1951 Singer 301 machine. It is actually set up for a knee control, but I've got that knee control unit on the floor. I'm just a little bit more comfortable with it since I'm not a sewer. Bit longer stitch length here. I think it will allow you to see the stitch a little better. Let's do the reverse thing. Now let's take a look at the back of it. Pretty nice. Nice, even stitch front and back. Nice little sewing machine. There's that handle. I'd wind a bobbin here. This is the unconventional way. Take the clutch off. And the conventional way, from the spool holder here. I did have to put a new rubber wheel on here after 50 years. The other one disintegrated. Tucks right back in there and off we go. I wanted to show you how easy it is to pull this from its cradle. There's a nice little lever here, you push it down and your machine lifts right out. Is that cool? Let's put her back in there. See how that goes? It's in there nice and safe.